So I'm over here having a smoke at the new house, and the neighbor's dog just came over to me. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here, boy. Hi. You're such a cutie. That's a blessing, y'all. I really like since bonding with Daisy at the last house, I really wanted to live in a house with a dog. So it's kind of cool that the neighbor's dog just came over. Oh, another one! Hi, come here! Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy. Hi. And they look alike. That's so cute. Hi, you. Look at that. And they're matching. I don't know who that guy is, because I don't think he's one of the roommates. Who the fuck is this guy in our backyard? Like, oh, he must be that neighbor over there taking a stroll.